Let's take a look at this system of two linear equations. Again, we're supposed to use the addition-subtraction method. Keep in mind that we're supposed to eliminate one of the variables. Always look at the coefficients of x and coefficients of y. X coefficients, we have 2 and I have -2. We don't supposed to think too long. This is very good situation when we have the same numerical value. Don't look at the signs at this moment because we have 2 and 2, and we have different signs. We have invisible positive and negative. So when we have different signs of the x coefficients in this moment, we were supposed to perform the addition. We're supposed to add first equation to the second one. Now let's take a look what will happen. 2 plus -2 gives me 0. I'm not going to write down 0 and simply go to the y. I have -3 plus 7 is equal 4. Y equals -22 plus 6 is equal -16. Please notice that we have just one variable. In order to find y, I have to divide both sides of the equation by whatever is multiplied to y. I have to divide by 4. 4 and 4 will cancel out, and I have y equals negative divided by positive is going to give me negative. 16 divided by 4 is equal 4. This is my y coordinate, equals -4. Next, I'm supposed to find value of x. I'm going to take one of these equations. I always choose the one with the lowest numerical values. So I'm going to use the second one because second one does have 22, just 6, okay? So I have minus 2x plus 7y equals 6. What I have to do, I have to solve this equation for x. Okay, why? Because I found value of y already. So I have minus 2x plus 7, and y I supposed to replace by value of y, which I found, -4, is equal 6. So I have minus 2x positive 7 times -4 is equal -28 equals 6. I have to find value of x. So what I'm supposed to do, I'm supposed to move this -28 to the right side, and I have minus 2x equals 6 plus 28. I have minus 2x equals 6 plus 28 is equal 34. In order to find value of x, I have to divide both sides equation by -2. -2 and -2 will cancel out, and I have x is equal invisible positive divided by negative is negative. 34 divided by 2 is 17. This is my x coordinate. But before you are going to say that this is your final answer, it's always good to check if this is true. Copy first equation down, and I have 2x minus 3y is equal -22. Instead of x, I'm supposed to write 17. So I have 2 times -17 minus 3 times -4, supposed to be equal -22. 2 times -17 is equal -34. Negative times negative gives me positive. 3 times 4 is equal 12, and this is equal negative 22. Negative 34 plus 12 is equal negative 22. As you can see, the left side of my equation is equal to the right side. It's always good to check second equation too. So I have negative 2x plus 7y is equal 6. Instead of x, I supposed to write negative 17 minus 2 times negative 17 plus 7 times negative 4 is equal 6. Negative times negative gives me positive, and I have 34, because 2 times 17 is 34. Negative times positive gives me negative, and 7 times 4 is equal 28, equals 6. 34 minus 28 is equal 6. 6 is equal 6. Left side is equal to the right side. So the ordered pair, we have minus 17 and negative 4 is the solution to my system of two linear equations.